Hello, good morning. It is Superwoman's birthday. So let's see what and how we are spending her birthday today. So I was done with the check-in formalities. It's dropped in our luggage. Thoda time hai, so we decided let's go out for lunch, an early brunch, if that sounds quite right. So that's where we are headed. Pizza by the way. So we are here at Pizza by the Bay. Hi birthday girl. Birthday girl is beautiful. So is the view. How do you feel?
I feel overwhelming.
Ah.
I love this life. Marine Drive is
Okay. Cutie. So yeah. Mom's 56 birthday. This is the whole lobby. Okay, so we checked in. So इसका official check-in time is 2 p.m. So हम brunch करके आए around 12:30 and the room was ready, which was great. So ये door है. You enter inside. I'll show you the lobby later. But the moment you enter, there is this sliding door that takes you to the bathroom, and there's directly a bathtub. And the good part is, look at the design. It's so sleek, so modern. And if you see this, there is a glass behind me, and it directly faces the view, which is the sea view. So हमने ये sea facing room लिया हुआ है. Then you come here. I open this for you, and this is the shower head and the bathing area. Everything is so sleek, so modern, and I completely love the finishing of this entire place. Like every detail is so well done. Now as I pull this door, we come to the restroom. Again, very sleek, very pretty. ये शेव करने वालों के लिए है. But I don't know if it helps makeup enthusiasts. Not for me. So again, the details, very pretty, very aesthetic. And this is like your mirror. Then this is the basin, like उसके नीचे you have your dental kits and whatever general things, you know, complimentary you get at a hotel. This is your laundry bag. And this is the basin. Again, look at what this overlooks. Okay, so that's the view of the room and the sea. So that's the restroom. And yeah, I am a fan of these switches. मुझे ऐसी switches बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Oh, so this is the exhaust fan. So ये था bathroom. I love huge bathrooms, and just look the basin वगैरह कितना मस्त दिख रहा है. Now I head to the bedroom, like the bed area. Here you can keep your luggage. ये तो restroom है, अंदर से इसको बंद कर सकते हो. See, there are lowers. Okay, so you can blinders है वहाँ पे. Then you have this huge wardrobe. आज तक कभी मुझे wardrobe की मतलब समझ में नहीं आए, because at least you never tend to use it. But yeah, they have good robes and those chappal, slipper, whatever you need, your locker, and they have an extra pillow is what it looks like. So that's that. Let me see the other side of this. Yeah, same here. Okay, you have your laundry bags and whatever. ये तो ठीक है, you can expect it anywhere. They have a lamp and this beautiful king size bed. So this is amazing. This is the king size bed. Now if I come here, this is the iron table. And then this is all those complimentary instant coffee, tea. And see, they have also mentioned they would love to provide these complimentary seasonal fruits. Wow. And I love this little coffee, filter coffee ke liye ye. So I'm glad that they've also given a sachet for that. Now comes the most favorite part of the room. That is, but wait, before I go there, another lamp. They have all this Mumbai ke iconic pictures. And then, yeah, this is what we booked the room for the sea view. So this is a premium sea face room. We are on the 4th floor. This is how Marine Lines, aka Queen's Necklace, looks like. And we are here for this Queen's birthday. So yeah, how do you feel, Mom? Are you loving this room?
yes. I love it so
You love it?
much.
So yeah, so that's that. This is the lounge area. You can chill. This is kind of a workstation. And the moment the hotel staff got to know it's my mom's birthday, they were kind enough to send this cake across. So it's amazing. So yeah, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे room के categories है. You can explore for yourself what is it that suits you the best. They have city room, they have sea view rooms, and they have premium room, twin bedroom, and junior suite, and all of those categories. But this one fit us perfectly the way we wanted. So yeah, I'll take you along as I know how I explored the other things within this property. So we came to the 8th floor. This is the dome area, and then we wanted to come and swim, but we had no clue कि यहाँ पे 5 o'clock तक ही the pool is accessible, because then it becomes a part of the dome restaurant area. So if you wanna come and swim before 5 p.m. This is what it is like. वहाँ पे है beach. Here's the gym. Good equipments, man. Good. हम swim करने आए थे, but yeah, this is the cardio area. Here they just have like this cable row, and yeah, they have these necessities for the guests. So yeah. Oh, they have apples. We are now headed to the dinner at the dome. So let's go. Pretty quick because pool वगैरह use नहीं करना था. So let's get going. We are dining at the dome, and it's quite a vibe, and it's kind of drizzling. Beautiful. That's Marine Drive. I forgot to take a video when it was a little light because I was enjoying. So I got myself a drink. It's a cocktail, and then we got some tempura. We got a cheese board. That's mom living her best life. So yeah, this is what it's like. Beautiful experience. My parents have been to the dome before, not me. I think I was back in the hostel when they had visited this place. So you know, it's good. It's good. I love it. I've been to like several rooftop dine-outs, and this is quite an experience. By the way, they do not take any reservations if you're not staying in the hotel. If you're staying in the hotel, they will accommodate your request. So I just want to let you know, because I think first time मेरे parents आए थे तो वैसे ही कुछ सीन हुआ था. They were staying at some other place and we just came here for the vibe. But today it was mom's birthday and I told them 5 o'clock आके कि भाई table मिलेगा क्या? And they were like, yeah, okay, fine, whatever. So 6 p.m. we came early because it was cloudy. You see, it's not even like, it's almost just 7 and it's pitch dark. So hey there, good morning. So we've come for breakfast and it's such a fine space and amazing breakfast option. We're already devouring. You'll see continental, Indian, bhi hai, sausage bhi hai, sweets. So you have a lot of options. You have keema, you have everything you can think of. So I kind of love breakfast. Look at my... So they got us this filter coffee and chai from mom. Hi. And this is the entire buffet area. Very huge and a lot of options. A lot of options that they have, and मुझे लगता है 3-4 plates change करने पड़ेगा. Pretty bomb. So this hotel staff was so kind. Look, see you soon. And they sent this personal note they wrote to us. Wow. Thank you for staying and dining with us. It was an immense pleasure. So sweet. Thanks a lot, Alan, Peggy, and also Chef Alicia who came and gave this to us. So amazing of you. These people are so cute, man. So cute. वो रही हमारी होटल, वो जो डोम दिख रहा है वो. तो हम लोग थोड़ा टहलने आए. Marines never get sold. The breeze always calms your nerves down. Bye bye room. It's time to go. You were amazing, Intercontinental. I loved the stay, the hospitality, the comfort, the kind of nature these guys and the entire staff had was amazing. They were so warm, they were so amazing. I will come back and I'll remember this place for the hospitality and its people. And birthday girl, I hope it was worth it. So yeah, that's the messy room one last time. That's what we go. Hey guys, filming here in the restroom, but I just got off a 2-hour meeting. The staff has been really kind. Ek to they accepted our extend to check out till like 2 p.m. and then it's 4:30. Abhi tak main lobby mein kaam kar rahi thi. There was no disturbance and they were super nice. Look at the restroom. The common restroom, I imagine it's so sleek. So they've been really kind and accommodating. The hospitality has definitely gone above and beyond. So I am definitely coming back. But what an experience, Intercontinental. It's time to go back, but you have my heart. Chalo, bye.